Hello, Namaskar. Good morning, students. I hope you
Good
are
morning, teacher.
good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning. And I hope that you all are good. Now we are going to start our day with a very auspicious thought because today it is a Guru Purnima. If you know well, this is Guru Purnima. So I must remember my teachers. तुम्हाला आजच्या गुरुपौर्णिमेच्या दिवशी बघा भरपूर मेसेजेस येतात ना. त्या मेसेजेस मध्ये एक दोहा नेहमी असतो कबीरांचा. तो कबीर का जो दोहा है वो यह कहता है कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरुदेव आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए। मतलब मेरे सामने अगर मेरे गुरु खड़े हैं और मेरे भगवान खड़े हैं तो मैं काके मतलब किसके चरण छूं, किसको पहले मैं नमन करूं। तो मैं पहले शरण जाऊं या नमन करूं अपने गुरुदेव को, क्योंकि वही तो है जिन्होंने मुझे अपने भगवान से मिलाया है। देखो ऐसा कहते हैं कि हमारा जो शिक्षक है, हमारे जो आचार्य है, वे हमारे पथदर्शी है, हमें राह दिखाते हैं। हम उस राह पे चल के अपनी मंजिल को पाते हैं। कहते ऐसा भी है कि शिक्षक एक राह के समान होता है और उस राह पर चलने वाले राहगीर अपनी अपनी मंजिल को मुकम्मल कर लेते हैं, हासिल कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जो राह है वो वही रह जाती है। फिर भी जब हम अपनी मंजिलों को पाते हैं, हासिल करते हैं, तो हमें हमेशा अपने गुरुजनों का, अपने आदर्शों का, जिन्होंने हमें राह दिखाई है, उन सबका स्मरण करना चाहिए। और मैं भी आज जो भी कुछ हूँ आपके सामने, सब मेरे माता पिता जो मेरे पहले गुरु है, उसके बाद जो मेरे स्कूल के शाला के जो आचार्य है, अध्यापक है, उनकी देन है। तो उनको मैं पहले नमन करती हूँ, फिर अपना पाठ शुरू करते हैं। So we are going to begin our day with a quiz this time. This time there is no video, but to brainstorm. Brainstorm is to give you a booster dose in the morning. We are going to have a quick recap. There is going to be a quiz. So Rekha ma'am, she will show you the quiz and we will play it. Okay, start. Ma'am, quiz. Rekha ma'am. Get ready.
Yes, teacher.
This is about whatever we have done earlier. So questions are there and options are there. Think wisely and give me the answer. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Madam, just below that. No. That was the quiz. The link was there. Go below. Below. Madam, खाली जा थोडंसं. खाली जा, बरोबर आहे, तेच आहे. yes. Okay. See, हेच first question आहे. Okay. ते फक्त मॅक्सिमाइज करा. ओके. हे फक्त मॅक्सिमाइज करा मॅम. Okay. So who can read this? First question. Who will read this?
Sanjeevani,
Okay, Sanjini, go ahead.
you can do this quiz online or print it on paper.
Okay, so we are doing it online. So you will read first question and all the options and you will give me the answer. The next question will be read by Isha. Okay, so it will go in sequence. So Sanjini first. Go.
Ovinlat place of birth in inland, but she live here now. Which word in is a pronoun?
Okay, Olivia's place of birth. Olivia is the name of a girl. Olivia's place of birth is England. But she lives here now. Which word is a pronoun? Now there are she. Very good. Okay, very good. So Rekha ma'am, just click on she. Will you click on she? Or if I can do. Okay. Now she. Now second question. Isha.
A pronoun can dash a noun that's already been mentioned or inferred. Replace
Uh-huh.
A pronoun can join a noun.
Think about it. Think about it. Think about the earlier sentence.
Replace.
Very good.
shorten.
Very. Yes.
मैम
Very good.
मैं पहले बनलेली रिप्लेस.
Yes, yes, very good. So first you have to read the whole sentence and then the word. Okay. So a pronoun can replace a noun. Replace means we can keep it there and we can remove noun. Okay. So that is taking the place of noun. Instead of noun, we use a pronoun. Very good. Now number 3. Ma'am, you also click the answer. Huh? Now third, Prathamesh, read third one. Prathamesh, read third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm.
टीचर ये ठीक से दिख रहा नहीं.
नाही टीचर क्लिअर दिसतंय.
Listen, Baga, number 4. No, number 3. The last train. Huh? Can you see?
Last train to London had just departed.
Departed means left. Okay?
Departed, which is a preposition.
Yeah, the last train to London had just departed means had just left. Okay. Two. Very good. Very nice. 2. Yes. Very good. Now, very nice. Thank you, ma'am. Number 4. Divya, read number 4.
Preposition
Preposition
read
dash
Yes.
to
link
another word or sentence part. First option verb, second option adjective, third option noun.
So what is it? Preposition link. Link means prepositions link means joins. Okay. So prepositions link or join dash to another word or some sentence part. Okay. So what it does?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Check the above sentence.
Verb.
What two is linking? What two is linking?
Verb.
What two is linking? What is there before two? Check first sentence.
Noun.
Noun.
Noun. You are telling me all the options, okay? Prepositions link a noun to another word. See, to, over the bridge, under the bridge, or over the river. We can say. So it is always joining or linking nouns to another word or sentence. Okay. Now, Sabuti, read next.
Can you remember the first time you
First time you kissed
kissed
someone.
some
See,
cat?
someone. आपल्याकडे छोटी मुलं असतात, छोटं बाळ वगैरे असतं किंवा फुलाचा पण आपण किस घेतो किंवा आपल्याकडे पेट्स असतात. बरोबर ना? मांजर, कुत्रा, पप्पी आपण त्यांचे पण असे लाडाने किस घेतो की नाही? पापी घेतो. मग can you remember the first time you kissed someone? Which is a determiner? Determiner means that is 9 parts of speech and it is a, and the. So
First-
which is determiner?
Can.
I said that a and the. These are the determinants.
The.
So the is there. The. See, can you remember the first time? Okay, you kiss someone. The The is there. Now remember this sentence, and this is for next also. So who will go? Shreyash. Shreyash, read number 6. Number 6.
Determiner.
Huh?
Determiners always come.
Hmm?
A noun or noun for
Phrase.
phrase.
So where is the determiner? In the earlier sentence, determiners always come dash a noun or noun phrase. So is it before noun? Is it after? Yes. Very good. Very good.
Before now.
Before.
Very good. Now next is okay. Gauri is reading next. Gauri, read next. Okay, Shubham, will you read this? Justin, it is Justin. It is saying about Justin. Yes, please.
Likes rap music much more than dance music or pop, which is conjunction.
Yes, Justin likes rap music much more than dance. See,
Ma'am, here is
see,
or.
conjunction means a word that joins or
Join
leads.
to-
Okay.
Or and.
Hi, very nice, very nice. So or is a conjunction over here. Okay, very good. Now keep it in mind and next.
I can read.
Sanjeevani, next.
Yes, teacher. Conjunction are used to dash word, phrase, clauses, or sentence. Join.
Join.
teacher,
Conjunctions
join.
are used to join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. So it joins words, phrases, or sentences. Phrases means part of sentence. Okay, good. Now number 9, Isha.
Oh, that's her topic, which is an interjection. Oh,
Oh.
Yes. And is it a happy expression or sad? Is it happy?
sad.
Sad. So read it one more time.
Oh.
That is her.
That hurts. Stop it. Okay, good. So that is owl. Owl. Okay, now next, number 10. Prathamesh, go with this.
Teacher, I can read.
Yes. An interjection.
An interjection is a
A word or phrase we use to dash strong feeling or emotion.
One at a time. Who was reading? Whom I asked to read?
Ma'am,
So he will read.
an interjection is a word or phrase we use to dash a strong feeling or emotion.
Emotion. So what is an interjection? That is a word or phrase we use to dash a strong feeling, hide, cause, or express. See, hide, cause, or express. Express means show. Express means show. See, always interjections are full of feelings and we use to express strong emotions. Okay, so express is the correct word. Now check answers. Click on that check answers. Check answers. There, below. It is here. Okay. First, number one. Click on she. Okay. Now here, pronoun replace. Very nice. Now at the end of, yes, we are going to check answer. Oh my God! Congratulations. Pat yourself like this. So well done. We did well and we got 100% correct. Okay. So 100 marks. You can celebrate now. Good.
And
Now,
this is a feeling. This is a feeling.
This is a
Ma'am, who is interjection?
ow was interjection. So all answers.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Sanjuni said who? So this is an interjection.
Yes, that was an interjection. Good. Now we are going to start our today's. Wait a minute, huh? Just something happened like that. Madam, जरा एक मिनट आता start करा. Okay. Students, this is our today's topic, the plural of English nouns. So we know that there are singular and plural, but there are rules also, and there are some regular as well as irregular forms of this. Okay. Now see, in this we are going to check regular plurals. Now here we are going to see how nouns ending in means ch, when at the end of a noun there is ch, sh, ss or x, then how it changes. Okay. Second is we are going to see that nouns ending in o. So whenever there is o at the end of noun, and how it becomes when we change it or convert it into plural. Nouns ending in y. Nouns ending in f, fe and lf. So these is all about nouns and how they end, whether they are ending with consonant or sometimes are they going to end with vowel sounds. Okay. Now, and as well as irregular plurals. So there are some rules and some are not following the rules. Number one, that is regular plurals. We all know that the regular plural is formed by adding s, just s we add, okay, to the noun. Now, Sanjuni, please read. You will read the left side and then you will read the right side. Go.
Okay, teacher. Bird, book.
Birds. Yes, next.
Book, books.
Okay. So here, while converting this singular into plural, what we are adding?
S.
S, only S. We can say that this is suffix also. Suffix means the letter or the group of letters which we add at the end. That is called suffix. So here we are adding S, only S and nothing else. Okay. So bird, birds, book, books. Now next. See, Isha, read this. Isha.
Watch, watch.
Isha, read this. This also. Okay?
Noun ending in ch, sh, ss, x. The plural is formed by adding es.
Okay, good.
Watch.
Now,
Watches, bush, bushes.
good. Now see, here you can see ch. Ch means these two letters. So whenever you find that watch ending with ch, we need to add es. So not s but es. Watch,
And
watches.
boxes.
And bush. Bush means a small plant, okay, or tree that actually grows like this, not tall that much. Okay. Okay. Now this is Prathamesh. Prathamesh, read this. We'll go in sequence, okay? Prathamesh, go ahead.
Noun,
Huh?
nouns English in
Read again. Noun.
noun
Ending.
ending in ch, comma, sh,
Very
comma, ss,
Very
comma,
nice.
x.
Yes.
The plural is
Form.
formed by adding es.
Adding. Very nice. Okay. So here, check. Read this. Read this again, Prathamesh. Read this and this. Okay. Read.
Red dresses,
Very nice.
boxes.
Okay, good, Prathamesh. Thank you. Now see here, we are following the rule that is SSC. Now, here dress at the end of the word, ending in means at the end of the word or a noun. SS is there, so it becomes dresses. Dress, dresses. We are adding es. Box, boxes, not box. B-O-X-S, no, but B-O-X-E-S.
And fox, foxes.
Now see socks. What happened?
Ox,
There is
oxes.
we ox, oxen. So
Oxen.
here it is ox, oxen. There is another like exceptions to the rule, that is irregular. Means the one who is not following the rule, that is in the category of irregular. So even though it is ending with X, ox is ending with X, but it is not oxes but oxen. Means two or more than two bullocks, more than one bullock, that is, or ox, that is oxen. Now again you said something about that I missed. Which you told oxen? Another one? Isha or Sanjeevani, what was
Fox.
socks? Now see socks. Socks is not a single, but it always go in pair like socks. Like
Ma'am,
socks
fox.
because we
Ma'am, fox.
wear two socks, so it is always socks. That is irregular. It is, we are going to see like scissors also. So it always like spectacle because we have two glasses. So that is also pair. So it is not a spectacle but spectacles. Okay, we are going to check it in the next. That is irregular. Now we are just
fox. Ma'am, fox.
no, that is also irregular because socks always go in pair.
Ma'am,
Do
fox,
we?
fox, and fox.
Yes. Very good. Fox, foxes. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now regular plurals number 4 rule. So Divya, please go.
I can read.
Divya, we are going in sequence. Okay, so follow the rule. Divya, will you read it?
Nouns ending in O. Some
Yes.
nouns add es.
Yes.
Tomato, tomatoes,
Yes.
potato, potatoes.
Okay. So nouns ending in O. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. See, at the end of these two words, we can see O is there. So while making it plural, we need to add es. So some rules are there and we have to follow it. We have to remember it. Okay. So it is not just adding s, but we need to add es here. Okay. Now, next. Number 5. Sabuti, will you read this, Sabuti?
Yes, teacher. Nouns ending in O.
Yes.
Others
Others.
add simple.
Simply.
Simply S.
Yes.
Radio, radios. Piano, pianos.
Very good. Now see, again here we are not following the same as earlier. See, earlier it was O at the end and es. But here O at the end, but we just put S. So we need to remember, okay, here it is not ready O's, we are adding ES here, but we just add S here, okay. Radio, radios, Casio, piano, pianos. Now see, we are using the word more often, that is video, okay. So it is also ending with O at the end. So how will you do the plural form of that? Will you go with this just adding S or will you add ES? Tell me.
What
Vid-
word, ma'am?
Video, is it? Video.
Videos.
S or ES?
S.
S.
It is ES. It is ES. Videos. ES. Okay. Sorry. Videos. S. VIEDO and O. After O, S. Videos. Good. Next. Now this Prathamesh, Divya. Okay. Shreyash. Now Shreyash, go on. Read it.
Baby.
Here, start with this.
Now, nouns ending in Y.
Yes.
When the nouns ends in
Consonant.
consonant plus Y. consonant
Consonant plus Y. Consonant
Y.
means which is not a vowel sound. We know 5 vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U.
U.
And rest are all consonants. Y is semi-vowel, but we'll see later on. But just 5 remember for till now. And all these are consonants. आपण त्याला व्यंजन म्हणतो ना. So consonant plus Y. Okay, read now. Next this.
The Y changes into I and ES.
Yes.
Is added. CY comes side.
Okay. CY becomes CIES. Okay. Now see. Read this.
Baby, babies.
Okay. So here baby is ending with which letter? Y.
Y.
What is before Y? What is before Y? B.
B.
B is a consonant. B is not definitely in that A, E, I, O group. Okay. So it is not A, E, I, O means it is a consonant. So Y is there and B is consonant. Ending with Y and before Y consonant. Now how it converts?
Lady.
Babies. Y becomes I.
Lady.
Very nice. Lady, ladies. So Y becomes I. Okay, that is the rule. Y becomes I and the rest is ES. So you need to understand only Y, that is I, and ES is like earlier. Okay, baby, babies, lady, ladies. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now next. So this is Gauri. Can I have a reader next? Is Gauri there? Shubham there?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you Gauri?
No, ma'am. Divya.
Divya. Okay. Divya,
I can read.
who is that?
Ma'am Sanjeev.
Okay, Sanjini. Sanjini. Okay, Sanjini, go ahead.
Nouns ending in Y when the noun ends in vowels
Wall.
words plus Y. Then S is added with no
Further
further
changes.
changes VY because VYS.
Okay. Now see here another rule is there that if noun ending in Y, see earlier was also ending with Y, but here it is different. See, check again earlier. Y, what is different? Y is there at the end. Before Y, consonant is there. Okay, remember consonant is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in this slide, what happens? It is ending with Y, but before
Vowel.
Y there is vowel sound.
Vowel.
Yes, so it is vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U. So here it is E sound. Okay, E sound is there. So whenever it ends with Y and before Y there is a vowel sound, what happens? We don't convert Y into I, but we just add S. Bas, that's it. Okay, so we just put
Monkey, donkey,
very nice. Yes, monkey,
Monkey.
monkey, donkey. Very nice, very nice. You are, yes, brilliant. Keys, very nice. Good. Next. Now regular plurals. 8. Isha. Can I have
Nouns
Isha?
ending in nouns ending in F, E, L, F. In most
Cases.
cases, the F turns into V and ES is added.
Okay. Now read this.
Leaf, leaves.
Okay. This is maple leaf, maple trees, and this is maple
Leaves.
leaf and leaf. Good. Now see the rule. Noun ends in F. So at the end you can see F is there. So whenever it is ending with F becomes V. Okay. F becomes V and then ES. Can you tell me another example of this?
chief,
Yes, thief, thieves. Okay, good. Nice. And last time when we were doing parts of animals, do you remember the word for animals leg? What is at the end of their leg that is called? काय बरं म्हटलं होतं त्याला आपण मराठीत खूर म्हटलं होतं मला इंग्लिश मध्ये सांगा.
Hi, teacher.
खूर खूर जनावरांचं खूर म्हणजे म्हशीचं गाईचं किंवा बैलाच्या पायाचं
त्यांच्या पायाचं तिथे असतं.
त्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये व्हॉट वॉज द वर्ड? Hoof. Very nice. Hoof and hooves. HOOF hoof and the plural is hooves. HOOVES. Very nice. So don't forget the words. Now, Prathamesh.
Knife. Knife. Calf.
Read this also. Read this.
Nouns. Nouns ending in F, comma, FE, comma, LF.
Very nice.
Knife. Knives.
Yes.
Crab.
Calf. 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 Say calf. Prathamesh, calf.
Calf.
Calf. Now here what happens, you know, when we say calf, we don't pronounce L because L is silent. There are many words having silent letters. See, here it is calf, but we don't say calf, but L is silent. So just omit that L and read like calf and calf. Now here also knife. Now you tell me, what is the letter we don't pronounce here in knife? See, in calf we don't pronounce L. And in knife, very nice. So what is K? K is a silent letter. K is a silent letter. Even though it is there in the spelling, we don't pronounce C. We don't pay attention to the letter, but the rest letters we pronounce.
One word I can say, ma'am, one word I can say.
Please go ahead. Yes.
Life.
Light. Okay, good. So tell me which
Life.
life. Okay, LIFE. So which one you don't pronounce? See, light is right. LIGST light. Light. So now tell me LIGST light. Which is the letter you don't pronounce?
Light.
G.
G. Yes, light. We don't pronounce G and H here. Light. Okay. La and T. GH we don't pronounce. Okay. Now next.
Ma'am, life.
Life. So LIFE life. Okay. Are you going to give me a word for this?
Yes,
life and lives. Okay. So LIFE life and it becomes lives. Okay. LIVES. Good. Now here are some irregular plurals. Okay. So which one is next? Sabuti.
Yes.
No, Divya. Yes, Sabuti read this, then Divya will read. Okay. Sabuti start with this.
The
Okay.
plural of some nouns is singular.
Irregular.
Irregular.
Very nice.
Man, mean, kid,
Here. Read here.
woman, woman,
And now here,
kid,
child.
Children.
children.
Now see how the form main, how it is.
Men.
So A and E here. Okay. So here we are not adding something next to N, but we change the form. Okay. Man, men. So we don't add here, but we change here. Okay. Man, men. Same as women, women. See, just we change this. Okay. Now, here it is again different. Child and children. But many people say that children's. It is always.
Ma'am, people.
What people? See, very good that you said that. Now see, people, PEOPLE, people is, it is itself a plural form. People is a plural form. People means it is not one we are talking about. It is
not share.
what happened to it?
Screen is not sharing.
टीचर आता कोणीतरी दुसऱ्याने स्क्रीन शेअर केली होती म्हणून तुमची
हा
screen
मला तेच
गेली.
लक्षात आलं असं काहीतरी झालं. ओके, लेट इट बी. हा,
हो टीचर झाली.
can you see this? Now see, like people use it. So many grown-up people also, they use it very wrongly. When we say people, it is already a plural form like this, children. Okay, so children is a plural form. We don't need to add s here. But if we say that children's day, then we add apostrophe here. Okay, after children. So after adding apostrophe, then we add s. But that is different. That is not making plural, but that is a possession, possessive. Okay, we will learn it tomorrow about apostrophe. But people means, what is singular of people? Tell me. If we all people are here, we are almost more than 100 people. So see, we are. Tell me.
Man या तो woman.
Person, one person. Okay, so
One
just
person,
person,
many
just
people.
yes, very nice, person and people. Okay, and person is also persons also. Okay, person for person, persons or people. Good. Now next. See, somebody did this, so now it is
Nouns ending in man and woman
yes,
change into men and woman.
yes.
Fireman, fireman.
Hmm.
Business woman, business woman.
Yes. So it was like earlier, women and women. Like fireman, at the end, man is there, it becomes men. As simple as that. We are following the earlier rule. Okay. Business women, business women. As simple as that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
businessman and businessman.
Men. See, men, men. Okay. Man, single person. Men, more than one. Woman, single
Teacher,
lady.
watchman ला watchmanच काय येतं? Watchman कधी नाही येत.
See, watchman, that is single person. If we are talking about two watchmen, then it is watchmen, not watchmen's. Okay, two watchmen. So because see, only man becomes main. Okay, so here no need to add s because already we have changed this. Okay, now next. Okay, so Prathamesh, read this. Prathamesh.
Frequent.
Frequent. Irregular. Plurals are. Frequent irregular plurals are. Means we can see these many a times irregular forms or irregular plurals. Then that is, see, what is this?
Foot.
And it becomes
Feet.
feet. So no s, no ies, but the whole word changes. See, foot and feet. Same is here. Read.
Tooth. Teeth.
Yes, and this is our
Mouse.
mouse.
Mouse
And
and
this
mice.
mice. So, here one more mouse we can take. Which one that? If this is mice, which is rat, we can see what will be here.
Mouse, mice.
Yes, very nice. So if this
Ma'am,
is
real mouse, rat.
yes, yes. So here is also that mouse, and it becomes mice if it is more than one. Good.
Ma'am, tusk,
Teacher,
tongues.
Tongues. Just s. Okay. Now
Tusk, ma'am, tusk.
Tusk. What is tusk? We know. Tusk, the long
tusk
teeth, and so tusk.
long teeth of
Elephant.
elephant.
Yes. So what is tusk and then plural form?
Tusk.
Tusk. So what did you add here?
Tusk.
What did you
S.
add here?
S.
Very nice, very nice. Good, good. Okay, now, Divya, read this. Here also people get
Irregular
confused.
plurals.
Yes. And this
Sheep,
we need to remember. Very, very important. Okay. Yes.
sheep,
Hmm.
sheep,
Okay.
fish.
Can you see any changes here?
No,
Can you
ma'am.
see?
No, ma'am,
more
there is no
changes at
any
all.
changes.
It remains a, who is that?
Harshad.
Ma'am, screen is not sharing.
Somebody actually एक कोण मध्ये मध्ये असं करतं रे.
टीचर तो हर्षद होता.
Can you see the screen now?
He's
No,
no,
teacher.
ma'am, screen is
Okay.
not sharing.
Now read this. Our
No,
favorite.
teacher.
हा
No, ma'am, screen is not sharing.
असं नाही मध्ये मध्ये असं कोणी करतं त्याने जरा करायला नाही पाहिजे रे. मला मग माझी स्क्रीन जाते ना.
टीचर त्याचा को-होस्ट काढून घ्या.
Can you see it now? Yes.
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see.
Fish,
Okay.
fish.
Fish. It is not fishes. Definitely not. Okay. So
Fishes.
fish.
Fish.
Like hair. Okay.
Hair.
It is not hairs. Hair. One hair or many hair. Now see, this is your question about socks. Okay. Trousers.
T-shirt.
Trousers. And trousers. Why this? Because it always goes in pairs. See, 2 legs. It has 2 legs like shorts. It is not short. Half pant aste na. So we say shorts.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
shorts? Because it is having 2 legs. So when it
Ma'am,
is
shoes.
shoes also, yes.
Ma'am, shirt. Ma'am,
Socks.
shirt. Ma'am,
No,
shirt.
no shirt. Shirt that is single. But what goes in pair? Like see,
Socks.
socks,
Shoes,
trousers,
trousers,
shoes, yes,
socks,
trousers, and this one also,
scissors.
scissors,
Ma'am, one S, there are no.
scissors and
There is
scissors.
only one
Here is a
S.
mistake. Okay, now see,
Yes, ma'am.
this is time to recap. Okay, quick recap, and we are going to check whatever we have learned now. Do we remember it or not? Okay. So assignment, I will be reading this for you and you will give me a word here. Okay. So in bracket, you can see the words are there and those are in singular form. Okay. Single form. So you have to replace this here in a plural form. So I will read this for you. I will pause here for you for the word. You will give me the correct word here. Okay. Ready? Can I start
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Ready. Yes.
Complete the sentences with the plural form of the nouns in the parentheses. Okay. So I will read this and whenever you see a bracket over there, you have to give me the plural form. Diego Grande is 89 years old. So this is a person who is named Diego Grande is 89 years old. See how old he is. He is very tall and has a large foot. Now see, a means
Feet,
single. Feet. So if we are replacing foot by feet, we need to remove a because a that is single. A means always single. We don't need to use one but a. So we will remove a and we will add here. Add here, he is very tall and has a large foot instead of has large feet. F-E-E-T feet. Okay. Now give me next word. A big nose and no tooth is there. Teeth. Very nice. Teeth. And what is the spelling of that? Give me the spelling.
T-E-E-T-H.
T-E-E-T-H or T-E-E-T-H. Teeth at all. Okay. His hobby. Now plural form of this.
Hobbies.
Spelling.
Babies, hobbies.
Hobby.
H-O-B-B-I-E-S.
Very nice. Very nice. One at a time. Okay. His hobbies are taking photo. So what is for photo?
Photos.
Can you spell that?
PHOTOES.
ES or S?
S.
S. Just add S. Okay. PHOTOS. Photos. And his hobbies are taking photos and fixing old.
Watches.
Watches.
Okay. Prathamesh, tell me the spelling of watches. Spelling of watches. Come on, fast.
Can I say?
Yes, Prathamesh.
Can I say?
I can say
CHES.
CHWATCH. What we need to add?
ES.
ES. It is ending with CH. So watches. 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 Fixing watches means repairing watches. Okay. Now he has several pet. Pet means domesticated animals. Okay. That is called pet. So pet. What is plural form of this? One. Pets. Very good. Pets.
pets.
And spelling?
PETS.
Very nice. So he has several pets. 3. Now see, they are domesticating mouse. So 3 mouse.
Mice.
And what is the spelling? Very nice.
MICE.
MIC. 3 mice.
Mice.
5 fish. What is the plural of this?
Fish.
Very nice. Fish. FISH.
Fish.
And 2 canary. See, this is a bird. Okay. Canary is the bird.
CANARIES.
Very nice. Canaries. Very nice. Ending with Y. So canaries. He had, okay. He had 2 wives. So wife. Wives.
WIFE.
F becomes what? F becomes what? Like knife, thief, lift. WI.
Ma'am, there is a vowel.
So what about this F? What becomes
EWS.
WIVES? See, F converts into V. Okay. WIVES. Wives. Like knife. VES. Knives. Like thief. Thieves. So wives. During his life. So he had 2 wives during his life, but they both died. Now he is all alone. His 3 child. So 3
Children.
very good.
Children.
No S, but children. Children are
Only children.
grown up. Oh my God. All grown up and now have life of their own. So life.
Both.
And what is the spelling of that?
LIVES.
Very nice. Okay, so you did well, and this is all about singular and plural. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you, teacher.
Yes. Did you enjoy the
Teacher,
lesson?
this is an interesting lesson.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.